For those enamored with extravagant transformations, the wait is over. Mansory has unveiled its customization package for the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the luxury automaker's first foray into electric vehicles. Gone is the subdued elegance of the ultra-luxurious coupe, replaced by a plethora of carbon fiber enhancements on the exterior and vibrant orange leather upholstery inside. While the Rolls-Royce Spectre made its debut in October 2022, tuners have been cautious about modifying it. However, Mansory, known for its Rolls-Royce projects, has undertaken a complete overhaul, showcasing what's possible when a Spectre owner gives them the green light. A significant portion of the exterior is now draped in Mansory's signature carbon weave, including the entire hood, prized for its ultralight construction. The front bumper features a sharper splitter and additional slim LED DRLs nestled within the intakes, while the grille, though darkened, retains its customizable illuminated effect. Where the standard Spectre typically lacks exterior embellishments, Mansory adds massive side gills with faux intakes, sportier side skirts with integrated fins, and carbon fiber extensions around the greenhouse and taillights. The rear end sees even more dramatic changes, with a large diffuser enveloping the bespoke carbon fiber bumper, optionally equipped with an F1-style third brake light. A discrete roof spoiler and a prominent lip spoiler on the tailgate's edge are added for extra downforce, though it may raise questions about the Spectre's need for additional drag. Mansory offers its FD.15 rims in 23 inches, with an option for larger 24-inch versions paired with 295 30R24 tires, complementing the dark-themed exterior. Inside, Mansory opts for a striking contrast with orange and black leather upholstery, accented by carbon fiber inserts, high-pile floor mats, and starlit door cards matching the roof liner. Underneath, the electric powertrain remains unchanged, delivering 577 horsepower and 660 pounds-to-foot of torque, propelling the luxury coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The 120 kWh battery pack provides a range of 266 miles, catering to the practical needs of Rolls-Royce owners. While Mansory hasn't disclosed the cost of the Spectre conversion, they're ready to create another bespoke masterpiece for interested clients.